Hello, this is going to be an important video about the licensing part. So we want to make distinction what do we charge as Exceed and what you should acquire from the Microsoft site. So as we have all seen, we have created an app backed up by Power Apps. So the technology we use in the custom visual is Power Apps, Power Automate and Power BI. Those are like front end, and as a backend we use SQL database. So SQL database is responsible for the direct query and for the instantaneous showing of the results in the Power BI web service. So from the Microsoft side, you should acquire Power Apps per app license, and you should acquire Power BI Pro license. And then that's all from the Microsoft side. Also, you would need to have a SQL Server set up in your environment. Why? Because we do not want to own any data from your site. So we will install the Power Apps in your environment, and basically you own all the data. Everything is in your tenant. What do we charge as Exceed? We charge for the implementation, we charge for the license to use this custom visual, and we charge for training and possibly any future custom development of the app. So hopefully this clears up about the licensing part of the visual. And if you have any questions about it, please post it down in the comments and we will respond it as soon as possible. That's all for this video, and see you in the next one. Bye.